Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome, and today we're exploring a motorhome that blends legendary reliability with modern comfort and smart innovation. This is the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, a vehicle designed for travelers who want peace of mind, efficiency, and everyday luxury while discovering new roads. Toyota didn't build this to be flashy, they built it to be smart, durable, and genuinely comfortable for real-world adventures. The exterior design immediately feels modern and purposeful. The front end carries Toyota's latest styling language with a clean grille design, sharp LED headlights, and a confident stance that gives it strong road presence without looking aggressive. The headlights use advanced LED technology that improves visibility at night while reducing energy consumption. The bumper and body lines are sculpted for better aerodynamics, helping improve efficiency and reduce wind noise during long highway drives. Everything about the exterior feels practical, well thought out, and built to last. Along the sides, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome shows off its long, streamlined body. The large panoramic windows are one of the first things you notice, allowing plenty of natural light inside while also offering beautiful views when parked. The body panels are clean and smooth, with subtle design lines that give it a modern look without feeling over-designed. Integrated storage compartments run along the lower sections, providing generous space for luggage, tools, outdoor gear, and travel essentials. These compartments are easy to access and designed with durability in mind. Around the back, the motorhome keeps a simple, functional design with bright LED taillights, a wide rear access area, and thoughtful placement for bike racks or extra storage attachments. Step inside, and the interior instantly feels open, bright, and welcoming. Toyota focused on making this motorhome feel like a real living space rather than just a vehicle. The layout is smart and efficient, with every area designed to be used comfortably. Soft-touch materials, quality fabrics, and clean finishes give the cabin a modern, calming atmosphere. The color scheme is light and airy, helping the space feel larger than it actually is. Sound insulation is excellent, keeping road noise low and making the cabin feel peaceful even during long drives. The main living area is built for relaxation. Comfortable seating provides great support for long hours on the road and easily converts into extra sleeping space when needed. The seating area also works perfectly as a lounge, dining area, or workspace. Large windows bring in daylight, while adjustable blinds allow you to control privacy. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, giving you the ability to create a warm, cozy mood in the evening or brighter light during the day. The kitchen area is one of the strongest features of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. It's designed for people who actually want to cook while traveling. You get a modern induction cooktop, a microwave oven, a well-sized refrigerator, and generous counter space for preparing meals. The cabinets are built to be durable, with soft closed doors that prevent noise while driving. Storage is thoughtfully planned, so you have space for groceries, cookware, and utensils without clutter. This kitchen feels practical, efficient, and easy to live with on long trips. Moving toward the sleeping area, the bedroom delivers impressive comfort for a motorhome in this class. The main bed features a supportive, high-quality mattress designed for long-term use. It feels comfortable enough for full-time travel, not just short trips. Storage compartments around and under the bed provide plenty of room for clothes and personal belongings, helping keep the space organized. Large windows allow natural light to enter during the day, while blackout shades ensure privacy and restful sleep at night. The bathroom is clean, modern, and well-designed. It includes a proper shower, a stylish sink, and a practical toilet system. The space is used efficiently, but it never feels cramped. Good ventilation keeps the air fresh, and the materials are chosen for durability and easy cleaning. For anyone considering longer trips, this bathroom setup makes daily life on the road much more comfortable. Performance is where Toyota's reputation truly shines. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is built on a strong and reliable platform designed for long-term durability. Power comes from an efficient hybrid-assisted engine option, offering a balance between performance and fuel economy. This setup provides enough torque to handle hills and highway cruising while keeping fuel consumption lower than many traditional motorhomes. The drive feels smooth, stable, and predictable, which is exactly what you want when traveling long distances. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road bumps and imperfections to keep the ride smooth. Steering feels light and easy, making the motorhome less stressful to drive, even for those who are new to large vehicles. Toyota includes a full suite of advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to reduce driver fatigue and improve overall safety. Technology is thoughtfully integrated throughout the motorhome. The driver cockpit features a digital display with navigation, vehicle information, and entertainment options. A central control panel inside the living area allows you to manage lighting, climate control, battery status, and water levels easily. Smartphone connectivity makes it easy to stay connected on the road, whether for work, navigation, or entertainment. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is positioned as a premium yet accessible option in the market. Estimated starting prices range from around $120,000 to $150,000, depending on configuration and features. Higher trims with additional technology and comfort upgrades can go higher, but overall it offers strong value compared to many luxury competitors. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is built for people who want reliable performance, smart features, and real comfort without unnecessary complexity. It's practical, efficient, and thoughtfully designed for modern travel, making it an excellent choice for families, couples, and long-term explorers alike. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.